In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HDR in Photopea. We'll create that crisp, high-contrast HDR style look using a quick, reliable method that keeps your original photo safe. You won't need any plugins, and everything happens right inside your browser. First, open your browser and go to Photopea. When the editor loads, click Open from Computer. Select the image you want to enhance and open it. A well-exposed photo with a good range of tones will show the effect best, but this technique can add punch and clarity to almost any image. With your photo on the canvas, look at the Layers panel. You'll see a background layer. Right-click it and choose Duplicate Layer. This gives you a working copy so any changes happen on the duplicate, while the original stays untouched underneath. Keeping that safety net makes it easy to compare before and after as you go. Now with the duplicated layer selected, go to the top menu, open Filter, choose Other, and then click High Pass. High Pass is a powerful way to enhance detail. It emphasizes edges and textures while flattening the rest, which is perfect groundwork for a strong HDR style boost. A gray preview will appear. Set your preferred radius. Lower values around 1 to 3 pixels add a subtle, natural crispness. Mid-range values like 4 to 8 pixels create a stronger, more dramatic presence. Higher values can push the effect further but may introduce halos around strong edges. The sweet spot depends on your image's resolution and how bold you want the result to feel. Once it looks right in the preview, click OK to apply high pass to that duplicate layer. Next, in the Layers panel, change the blend mode of the duplicate layer from normal to overlay. Overlay makes mid-gray mostly invisible while amplifying highlights and shadows, so the gray high pass layer turns into pure detail and local contrast on top of your original. Instantly, you'll see the photo gain depth, clarity, and that HDR-like pop, while the underlying tones remain intact. That's the entire workflow. Open Photopea, bring in your image, duplicate the background, run high pass with a radius that suits your scene, confirm it, and switch the blend mode to overlay. Because everything sits on a separate layer, your base image is preserved and your enhancement is clean and controlled. This simple setup is fast, effective, and repeatable, giving you a confident HDR look without overcomplicating your edit. Enjoy the results and you're done.